This is a quick review and first impressions of the Gearlab Akiak Greenland paddle. Guys, I'm super excited about this paddle. I got it off of eBay for $200 less than market value, about $240. And it's my first time entering into a Greenland paddle space. Never used one before, never touched it. I've been obsessed with YouTube videos talking about it for a couple months now. And I've really had an interest in it since I started paddling. Guys, you pick one of these things up and your first impressions of them is just how thick and durable it is. You feel you can beat somebody up with one of these things, no question about it, which I like because I'm rough with my gear. I would rather have a paddle that will last a long time and is this pretty than one that is a little more efficient, a little lighter, and you have to be cautious about going on rocks and going on ice. Here in New England, almost every body of water freezes over at some point, and I don't like to let that stop me. So I like the idea of being able to bash some ice with this thing and not have to worry about it. The tips of these things come off. They give you a whole bunch of replacements. And I love that because that seems like the fail point in this is that you might break a tip off of here. I just love that I can unscrew it, replace it, and keep paddling, not even worry about it. There's no doubt that the craftsmanship on one of these things is phenomenal. Really a beautiful paddle, and I'm just excited to get out and use it. I'll take you guys out with me at some point and I'll give you a true on-water experience with this thing. But for today, that's it. Just a quick overview of the Akiak Greenland paddle from Gearlab. And I'm excited to start my Greenland paddle journey. Please forgive me for how bad my stroke is gonna look at first. It's only up from here. I'm not even a very good Euroblade paddler. So to me, I got to break a couple of weird habits and I'll be out on the water going faster and faster, hopefully within the year. My goal is this summer to be able to paddle 10 to 15 miles without a real problem. And I have a bunch of adventures I want to try up here in New England. So hopefully this guy will come with me in my yellow Akiak and we'll be able to take on everything that New England water has to offer. Stick around, like, follow, subscribe. Hit me up on all the socials. And yeah, this has been a gear review with Rody's POV.